Sai Ram, I offer my loving pranams at the lotus feet of Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba and Sadguru Shri Siddheshwar Baba. Today in this video, you will get to know how and when the grace of Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba opened the third eye, also known as Shiv Netra or Agni Netra of Sadguru Shri Siddheshwar Baba. In the March of 1975, Gurudev was suffering from intense mental depression. Then, on 22nd March, he experienced the most breathtaking incident. At midnight, someone pulled up his blanket, and when he opened his eyes in great fear, he saw the most astonishing event of his life. Shri Satya Sai Baba was standing near his bed. But when he tried to hold Baba, he could not do it. So, thinking this as his hallucination, he pulled up his blanket to sleep again. But to his great surprise, Baba once again pulled up his blanket and asked him to sit and meditate in a very relaxed way, concentrating at the midpoint between the two eyebrows. This time, everything was so clear and obvious that he could not dare to interpret it as his hallucination. So, as directed, he started meditating. Baba disappeared and he meditated from 1:30 am to 4 am. Next day, while sitting in front of Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba's photo, when he closed his eyes and tried to concentrate at the midpoint between the two eyebrows, which is known as Trikuti, immediately a thick vertical line appeared at the Trikuti. On 25th March morning, around 10 am, when Guruji meditated and concentrated at Trikuti, then the same red line appeared again at the same spot. As he tried to concentrate a little more on it, the red line immediately widened into an exact eye, and Shri Satya Sai Baba was standing in the eye, holding a shivling between his right hand's thumb and fingers. So, like this, on completing 40 years of his life, that is, on 25th March 1975, Gurudev, on his birthday, received a rare, divine, and incomparable gift, that is, third eye, by his Guru Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba. Jai Sai Ram.